What's up, guys? Keep trades. Today is March 20th and a great disciplined day, and it pays in the PM. Ended up making out with a profit of 466 profit, and this is why your loss shouldn't matter, right? We took a loss on Monday, missed TP by 4 points, right? Stop hunted again, mistake on my end on Tuesday. Didn't trade at FOMC. Takes me one win. We're back green on the week, and we should look to close out this week strong. But this was a PM setup. Again, coming in today, we did want to see how we acted at the 1 hour. We started buying through the 1 hour fair value gap. I was looking for a potential continuation model to the pre-market high, but I just never saw a quality setup, and that's totally fine. But after we delivered to the pre-market high, we ended up seeing some bearish narrative come in. We saw an inverse of this 1 hour fair value gap, and we failed to really find buying from this 1 hour fair value gap. So I found my continuation model on the 15-minute. Also, you can see a nice rejection at the 1 hour inverse, and also a fake out of the 5-minute. But where did we close? Right, we closed below it, respecting it. So after we have a buy side sweep, we have clear selling pressure. I wanted to play the consolidation range, right? We started to consolidate coming into the PM, so I'm looking at this range, right? I was literally looking at if we downside manipulated, I want the longs back into the 15. If we upside manipulate, which we got, I want the short to the consolidation low. So again, we drew back into the 15-minute, 5-minute / 1 hour. We see a nice buy side sweep into that level. Now I'm looking for my point of entry. I found that on a inverse fair value gap. Again, I wanted to play a bigger stop, so I put my stop at this wick high, and I got my entry at 23. Got a little nice slippage fill there. I ended up pressing buy at the inverse close, but this thing popped, so I got filled at 23, a pretty good entry. And we're looking at a 21-point risk. In the trade, we saw a 5-minute fair value gap, so I took a little partial just in case we saw the market respect this gap. Here, I took a partial at 900 for about 24 points, got an 899 fill. And then right, my target for this trade is not looking for a low of day move. I'm just looking to play the consolidation range here. So this is my full TP. I called for 886 as a potential scale point, and that reasoning behind there is just because the new week opening gap, right? We've been fighting buying from this new week opening gap. So playing conservative as the market was not the cleanest coming into my trade, I played a few scale points, scale 2, scale 3, and then full TP here. Full TP hit for about 64 points here. Boom. Very, very simple, but quality setup. Again, consolidation range. We see the upside manipulation into the 15-minute, rejection off the 1 hour and the 5-minute. Once I see the selling pressure come back in, we inverse a bullish. I grab my short. I put my stop at the high. Usually, I would place my stop loss just at this candle, which again would have been fine, but adapting to the action like we've seen, I could have seen it sweep the high one more time. So I put my stop up to this wick high, give it a little breathing room there, and we got a nice delivery down to our TPs. Full TP hit here for 64 points at a 21-point risk. So about a 3-to-1 for full TP. I took a 1-to-1 scale, little 2-to-1, and then full TP. So overall, a great trade, $466 profit, as you guys can see. That's me. Live account balance. Live account numbers here. Right, a nice profit day, and we are back green on the week. Right, this is why your losses don't matter. I talk about position sizing. I took a 4 micro loss, and then I took a 3 micro loss. In hindsight, that 3 micro loss was a win, but it was on my end for putting my stop too tight. And then I came in today. I liked the setup. I wanted to play consolidation range. I've been talked to members before this trade happened that I wanted to see the setup. And I played 7 micros here, being confident in my consolidation range draw, and I let runners run properly to 64-point TP. 2 losses. I take 1 win with more size and more confidence. I make back the loss, and I'm green on the week. Right? This is why your losses don't matter. If you take a loss, disregard it. Right? Disregard it. It is okay. It happens. So long as you executed your model and your edge, you will do just fine. Right? We came into the AM. Right? We're down the week. I did not see a very quality setup for me to take in this AM session. So what did I do? I did not care. I waited, and I came in the PM composed. I looked towards my next setup. I did not look to make the money back and make my loss back. I just stayed patient. I waited for my next quality trade. And here we have it here in a beautiful delivery lower. Right, so that is the key for today. Do not feel the need to make your money back. You will make your money back by staying disciplined for the next quality and confident trade. That is what we did here. We are green on the week, and we will show up tomorrow, Friday, looking to close out nice and strong. Right? But that's going to be it for March 20th. Again, simple setup here. Buy side sweep into the 15. Once we found the selling pressure to inverse, I grabbed an early entry short at 23. And then my full TP was the consolidation low. Very simple. But that's going to be it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you want to join the Discord, we have a link in the bio. We'd be happy to have any and all new members. But until next time, guys, peace out.